Hi guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing another plan with me video, but this time we're doing a different spread. So normally I do something, hold on, like this. This is normally the spread that I go for, but this time we're in July, first week of July, and we're going to create a spread, or it is a spread already that I have in my shop, and I have put it in already into my planner. But basically it gives you like a breakdown of your to-do list for the week, your goals this week, your errands and appointments, your to-do, any notes, and then it has like a horizontal kind of layout. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday through Friday have like a priority section as well. So that's what we're going to be doing and we're using this week. So now I am planning this at the end of the week again. I wrote down kind of like all of the stuff I had done so far this week. So we're going to put this in. Normally, obviously, I wouldn't know if I'm going to get sick, so I wouldn't block off my whole entire Tuesday because I got sick. But since I am planning at the end of the week, because I've been a little behind on filming videos, because I am planning at the end of the week, I am able, to put that in. So I'm going to actually put that in first, and I'm going to write priority. I'm going to put like a checkbox. So I'm going to highlight that tool to make a square on Tuesday. And then I'm going to unhighlight that and I'm going to write urgent care. And then I'm also going to copy that checklist. Then I'm also going to write pick up prescription. Okay, and those two things were done. So I will just highlight those already here. I'm also going to write here that I had the stomach virus. I should make it pretty for something so not fun. I'll make this pretty. Okay, so I just wrote stomach virus, sleep all day. I didn't do anything besides sleep all day on Tuesday. Oh guys, I didn't even put in my days of the week. So let's do that. So the Monday is the 1st, Tuesday is the 2nd. Then we had the 4th of July. Because shenanigans went down on Tuesday, I know a priority for me on Wednesday was to do laundry. I wasn't like 100% and I was still in bed. So I'm going to write that. I'm going to write feeling better. Okay, and I'm going to go over to my stickers and I'm going to grab a sticker here. I guess I don't have a sticker here. Hold on. I have a sticker somewhere here. Okay, it's in here. So this laundry sticker, laundry today or naked tomorrow. Yep, needing that. Okay, so let's go back to July. Okay, and that's going to be a sticker for here. I actually don't like this, so I'm going to erase that. I'll just write down like a little note for myself here. I don't have like any kind of shenanigans or appointments. All I have is on the 4th. So I'm going to write 4 here. And I'm going to write 4th of July at 12 p.m. Okay, 4th of July at 12 p.m. at Paulina's house. For that, I needed to go to the grocery store and I needed to pack some of my stuff. So I'm just going to write a little checklist here. Let's grab this checklist sticker. And just reminders, I needed my bathing suit and towel. And then I needed to go to the grocery store, so I'm going to put that here. And I needed to buy strawberries, just some things to dip into the fondue. So strawberries, pretzels, and Rice Krispies. For, I guess, notes, I wanted to work on the scrapbook album, but also in videos, so I wanted to film a whole bunch of those. So I'm just going to work on scrapbook album. Then my goals this week, I wanted to get the Valentine's Day card finished. So I know, guys, I'm a little early. It's July and I'm thinking about Valentine's Day, but I don't want to like panic like I did kind of like this year. I was like, oh my god, it's almost Valentine's Day. I'm not going to have time to make a handmade card, and I love making them, so I just got to do it earlier. Because who knows, during the school year, I might be swamped again. So finish Valentine's Day card. That was my goal this week. And I wanted to list some items in the store. So list the teapot card. Another thing, oh, this is a big goal this week. Edit vlogs. So vlog videos are coming back. If you guys are part of that channel, you guys know they kind of disappeared for a little bit because I was just so busy with like work and teaching and school and stuff that they just kind of fell off the planet of the earth, or planet Earth. So they were coming back, guys, and I actually just posted one yesterday, I think, or two I think I posted. Okay, back to my sticker tab. I just want to get this Etsy order sticker here. I'm going to use, let's use this one. Okay, and then we'll go back to July. And I'm going to put this on for, wait, no, we're going to put this on for Saturday. And then on the side here, I'll just start creating a checklist. Obviously, Etsy orders, then post office. Friday, I am going over to my babe's house. We are taking apart his piggy bank, and we're just going to roll coins literally all day. So I'll go to like Dollar Tree first, and I'll pick up some of the coin rolls. And then obviously later we'll run some errands and things like that since we're in the area. And my toothbrush broke, so I need a new toothbrush, like an electric toothbrush. So I'm going to write electric toothbrush, and that will just be a nice reminder to remember to go buy one. I know like Sunday's a little smaller and stuff, so I'm going to like make like two sections, I guess. So let's edit some more vlogs. Okay, and I think we're almost done. The only other couple of things I wanted to get done this week, I'm going to add my checklist again here. The only other couple of things is that I wanted to use my basil outside and make pesto. And then I also wanted to make bug spray because I ran out. So I need to make some more bug spray with my essential oils. I will also have a link to that video down below because I love that bug spray. It's the best. I'm just going to go through this and like write kind of down of what passed already. So we're on Saturday today. I did not organize my dyes. It was part of the plan. I had a stomach virus. I just like highlighting stuff as I get them done. Then today, Saturday, so far, I did do Etsy orders, and I went to the post office, and I'm filming this video. So there we go. We got to check off some things. I didn't do any of this stuff yet here, but I am actually liking this layout, so I might use this again next week. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you already use this kind of a layout. I do like it. I'm enjoying it, so that's fun. I always get excited when I find like a new layout that I like, because I don't like a lot of layouts, guys. Not all of them work for me, especially like hourly. I just find those really hard to use. But this one is nice. Like you have like at a glance of like everything you need to get done. You may not always have like a specific day of doing something, but you could like put it on this list and then add it to this list whenever you have like a chance, especially if it's like a project that takes more than one time. If it's something where you just don't know when to do it, like you could just add it here. And then you could always refer back to that list and just like pick something off of that list when you have a moment of like free time or whatever. So it's nice, and I do like this spread. I will have all links down below for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry again that I, planned out my week after the week was like mostly over. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyway, so I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.